Good medical morning. Today, we have an amazing medical case. Let's take a look. Here's what the doctor had to say. A 16-year-old boy presented to my office with 2 days of skin changes and fever. Everything started 2 days before he came into my office. He saw redness on his left lower leg, after which he developed pain in the neck, headache, nausea, and fever up to 38 degrees Celsius. The day after that, he noticed redness of his palms, and he felt a burning sensation in them. Same redness appeared in the elbow region. He was seen by a dermatologist at the same day who prescribed corticosteroid cream and ciprofloxacin, which he started to use. Are these pimples? Are they pustules? How about chickenpox? The doctor continues, I continued ciprofloxacin and referred the patient to pediatric department. I will see him in a few days. What is your opinion on this case? So leave your comments below. What is happening with this case? I'll put what a dermatologist had to say about the case in the description below. So there you go. Subscribe so you can catch any follow-ups and other interesting medical cases. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time.
I'm Rachel. I'm a new mom. I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Rest More will help you get into a deeper sleep, meaning the next day you'll feel better rested, although you slept for the same amount of time.
Right, I take 2 pills about 30 minutes before bed every night, and I get a really good deep sleep. I wake up feeling rejuvenated and fresh, and it's awesome. I highly recommend the product. If you're looking to get a better night's sleep, just go on Amazon and look up Rest More and get you some and enjoy your night's sleep.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.